Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix hotspot tethering not working on BOOX PALMA 2 Pro. So first go into Test Settings and then Network and Connection. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or to mobile data. Then Network and Connection, go into Hotspot and Tethering, enable the hotspot, click on it. Here you have the password. You can go and disable and enable it once again, or also you can use the Bluetooth tethering. If none of this worked, then you need to restart your phone and the other device that you wanted to connect to your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.